Hi, in this video, we will be discussing the top plugins that you should have installed on your WordPress website to improve your search engine rankings. And if this video gave you value, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and notification on so that you won't ever miss our new videos. Okay, the first one is yoast SEO. yoast SEO is one of the most popular and widely used SEO plugins for WordPress. It helps you optimize your website's content for search engines by providing you with suggestions on how to improve your own page SEO. It also allows you to add metadata such as titles and descriptions to your page and post. yoast SEO is a must-have plugin for any website that wants to improve its search engine rankings. The second one is All-in-One SEO Pack. Another must-have SEO plugin for WordPress is All-in-One SEO Pack. This plugin offers similar features to yoast SEO, but it also includes advanced options such as sitemaps, Google Analytics integration, and more. It also allows you to optimize your website's content for social media, which can help improve your rankings. The third one is Google Analytics for WordPress. Google Analytics for WordPress is a plugin that allows you to easily add Google Analytics to your website. By using this plugin, you will be able to track important metrics such as your website's traffic, bounce rate, and more. This information can help you understand how your website is performing and make changes to improve your rankings. Okay, the fourth one is Floating as a Button. Floating as a Button is a part of CTA Button group that can help you boost your site SEO. You can use it to display custom content at the corner of your WordPress page, such as social media, shortcuts, widgets, links, and others. With Floating as a Button, you can add more flexibility to your website so your visitors can browse through your website easier. It offers an unlimited number of staycation buttons with a bunch of actions and styling options, so you can customize it as the way you want it to be, whether it's the color, size, position, filter, or animation. The fifth one is Broken Link Checker. Broken links can hurt your website's search engine rankings, so it's important to fix them as soon as you find them. The Broken Link Checker plugin is a must-have for any website that wants to improve its rankings. It scans your website for broken links and notifies you when it finds any. This allows you to fix them quickly, which will help improve your website's user experience and search engine rankings. The last one is WP Optimize. WP Optimize is a plugin that helps you keep your website's database clean and optimized. By removing unnecessary data, such as false affirmations and spam comments, you can improve your website's performance, which can help improve your rankings. In conclusion, these are top must-have WordPress plugins for SEO that will help boost your rankings. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest best practice and use the right tools to help you. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye!